Hello everyone, in this video I will present about 20th century modern. As you know, I am Jiglus Diantanda, and without small talk, let's get start the material. We start from the introduction. The introduction is England's history from the 20th century to modern times. England underwent major changes, transitioning from an empire to stable modern democracy. That's about the introduction. The next slide is about World War I from 1914 until 1918. The first point is England's involvement in World War I, the major social impact. Jadi Inggris ikut serta dalam Perang Dunia Pertama sebagai bagian dari elite powers atau sekutu. Perang ini membawa dampak sosial yang besar seperti perubahan perempuan atau bisa dibilang women took on jobs left by men at war. Jadi hilangnya banyak nyawa dan perubahan dalam sistem sosial dan politik. War causes trauma, loss, and also inspired social reforms in Britain. The next point is World War II from 1939 until 1945. The first point is about resistance against Nazi Germany led by Churchill. Jadi dalam Perang Dunia Kedua, Inggris berperan besar dalam melawan Nazi Jerman, terutama di bawah kepemimpinan Perdana Menteri Winston Churchill. Churchill became a symbol of British resilience with his speeches like "We shall never surrender." Jadi perlawanan ini termasuk Battle of Britain ketika Inggris bertahan dari serangan udara dari Jerman. Okay, the next slide is about decolonization, loss of British colonies. After World War II, the British Empire began to lose many of its overseas colonies. Britain faced strong independence movements, especially in India, Africa, and Southeast Asia. For example, India gained independence in 1947, followed by other colonies like Kenya and Jamaica. This was partly due to Britain's weakened economy and global influence after the war. Artinya, Inggris mulai kehilangan kekuatan sebagai kekaisaran dunia. The next point is about social and economic changes, welfare state creation and economic reforms. Post-war Britain introduced major reforms to improve the lives of its people. The government created the welfare state, including free healthcare through the National Health Service or NHC in 1948. They also provided benefits like unemployment support, pensions, and free education. And then to support these programs into industries such as coal and railways were nationalized. Dan langkah-langkah itu bertujuan mengurangi kemiskinan dan juga meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat. Okay, next slide about modern monarchy and politics. The United Kingdom has a constitutional monarchy, which means the king or queen has no real political power, and the monarchy plays a symbol and ceremonial role, while the real power lies with parliament and the prime minister. And then the system is known as parliamentary democracy, where leaders are elected by the people. Jadi, raja dan ratu hanya menjadi simbol negara, bukan pengambil keputusan politik. Next point is about Brexit or exit from the European Union. Brexit refers to Britain's decision to leave the European Union or EU after 2016 referendum. Many people vote to leave the European Union due to concerns about immigration, economic control, and national sovereignty. And then the UK officially left the European Union on January 31 and 2020, ending nearly 47 years of membership. And then Brexit membawa dampak besar pada ekonomi, hubungan perdagangan, dan politik Inggris. Okay, that's all about the 28th century modern, and then we will go to the conclusion. The conclusion is modern Britain shaped by historical challenges, war, the decolonization, and reforms help shape Britain into a global democratic power. I think that's all about my presentation today. And then for your attention and participation, I say thank you and see you in the next video.